Hello guys, welcome back to my Mr. ECH vlog. Today we are going to discuss or I'm going to share uh, the alternative way of saying how are you. Okay, not like repeating or keep asking, keep saying or using how are you, how are you, how are you. So we have the alternative ways of saying how are you. Okay, so today I'm going to share or teach you the alternative way of saying how are you. Okay, how are you, how are you. So the first, so how are you, right? How are you, not but we learn from school how are you, but in spoken English we don't say how are you. Even if you go to America, or if you speak with or native speaker, if you say how are you, they know you are like of course you just learn English, maybe you don't know the culture or how the people or speak that language, or how that language is spoken. So the way we greet is how are you, how are you, how are you. There's a pitch, right? Like English, when we speak intonation like that, how are you. How are you, so how are you, then how are you doing. How are you doing, how are you doing, the same, how are you doing, right? And then how have you been. How have you been, how have you been. Or you can say like how have you been lately, recently. You can add here, or lately or recently. How have you been recently, how have you been lately, like that. Okay, and then like that, how's it going. So how's it going, how's it going. Here is not how's it going. English, we have link sound, right? Link sound means we link this one. So like how's it going? So we link this. How's it going? How's it going? Okay? How's it going? Not how's it going. How's it going? And then we have the other, and then like what's up? Or how's it life? You can. So how's it life? And then what's up? What's up? And then you can ask like what's new. So how's the life, how's life, this one, how's life, what's up, what's new. Here is we link them like that. What's up, what's up. Here also not what's up with like what's up, what's up, we link also. Only like another day I will teach you how to link it, why we have to link them. Okay, what's up, but not now. This one is what's new. Okay, how's life, how's it going, how's it going. What's up, what's new. Like American, they sound like they pronounce this one new. British, new, both are correct. Okay, new, new. So what's up or what's new, what's new. How's life, how's it going, how have you been recently, how have you been lately. How are you doing, how are you. Okay, so now you know the alternative ways to ask how are you. Okay, so stop using only how are you, how are you, how are you. You can use these. Still many, but enough. Okay, if you want to sound like a native. And then we'll go for the responses. Mostly we know if someone asks you, how are you? So you will say, oh, how are you? I'm fine. I'm good. I'm great. Okay. That is normal answer. Like, how are you? I'm fine. So how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. And you can use I'm good. And then I'm okay. These are like normal. Like I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay. So how are you? I'm fine. I'm good. So if so, how are you doing? So you can like I'm doing really well. How are you? I'm doing really well. How are you doing? I'm doing really well. You can use like the I'm doing really well. Really well. Sorry. I'm doing really well. Okay. And then sorry. And next one is I'm doing really well. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay. I'm doing really well. Next one. We use like pretty good. P-I-E-T-T-Y, pretty good. Or can use like I'm great. Pretty good. Pretty good here is not pretty, is not beautiful, handsome. Pretty is the same like a very good, but pretty good. Pretty good. Mostly we use like pretty good one way. Oh, pretty hot, pretty good. Pretty good. Okay? Pretty, it means very, very good. Okay? It means I'm great means what is I'm great? I'm great and I'm fine is a normal. I'm fine. You are okay, you are fine. Maybe you're not happy. I'm fine. But I'm great means when you want to show your, you are really good. That show that great is like a fine plus happy. Okay? Today you are fine and then your mom give you money, maybe like 1 lakh. A pocket money 1 lakh. Oh, so I'm great. I'm great. Okay, I'm great. And then you can use I'm great. Never better. Never better when you see it. Oh, it's negative. No, never better. Never be better. Never better mean in Myanmar. If we describe in Myanmar, ဒီထက်ကောင်းတာဘာရှိတော့မှလဲဒီလောက်ကောင်းနေတာပေါ့ never better we describe it like that okay today is the best I'm the happiest person in the world everything is great you want to describe like that never better but if you see never not a negative never better mean this is the best and then we go for the idiom so you can use like I'm over the moon okay I'm over the moon and I'm on cloud 9. So you can ask if you like that, how's it going? I'm over the moon. I'm on cloud 9. Okay, I'm over the moon. I'm on cloud 9. It's like a idiom. Okay. So here you have the responses, the alternative of the responses. Not only one. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay. I'm doing really well. Pretty good. I'm great. Never better. You can use like I can't complain. The same like that. I'm over the moon. I'm on cloud 9. Okay. So this side, but for exceptional, okay. This one like this one is we say like informal. Not you are going to ask your boss, the person you like the place where you should be polite. I think it's not appropriate to use. It's not okay to use. Okay, like what's up? Hi, like you speak with your teacher or your manager or your boss. What's up, boss? But if your teacher or If you're a teacher or boss or manager like me, openly, it's okay. What's up, right? How's life? What's new? It's okay. But like some teacher, they are not friendly, so it's okay. Just go for the, we call the formal. How are you doing? How have you been lately? How's it going? Like that. The answer also. Okay. I hope you get something from this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.